Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Logitech Extreme 3D Pro joystick is not working on Windows 11 computer. Now if you go to Logitech website, over here you can see that Windows 11 is not compatible with Extreme 3D Pro joystick. So officially this is not supported. But you can try this. This has worked for many players, so it might work for you. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Logitech website. Scroll down. Over here you can see Logitech G Hub. You have to select Windows 10 from the list. Select Windows 10 and then click on download now. And once the download is complete, run this exe file and install the driver. Now once Logitech G Hub is installed, restart it. Now after the system restart, open device manager. Make a right click on the start menu and then go to device manager to open device manager. Now find you have to find Logitech Extreme 3D Pro over here. So find it in the device manager. I don't have it, so I'm just giving you an example. So once you find it, I'm showing you with different device. Once you find Logitech Extreme 3D Pro, you have to make a right click and then click on update driver and then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and you have to select the generic one. So you will find something generic USB joystick. So you have to select generic one and then click on next and install it, and after the installation restart your computer and then check. So you have to find Logitech Extreme 3D Pro, make a right click, click on update and then select generic USB joystick. You have to click on browse and then once you install it, restart your computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the joystick working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.